Hello to all of you, my lovely students in the 9th grade. How are you today? Welcome back to my English lessons. It's me, your English teacher, Emmanuel Jafari at Al Farouk Academy. In our lesson today, we are going to start doing some activities from your student book, page 21. These activities are related to the rules of reported question. As I told you before, in English we have two types of questions. We have WH question or yes or no questions. Okay, if you have WH question, you are going to follow 4 steps in order to report this question. The first one, you are going to use the WH word. Then you are going to put the subject, the verb, and the last point, you are going to change the question mark into full stop. If you have yes or no question, you are going to start with if or whether, then the subject, the verb, and you are going to end your reported question with full stop. And here, just I want to remind you, if the reporting verb is in the past form, you are going to change the tense. How? You are going to go step backward. For example, if you have present simple in the direct question, you are going to change present simple into past simple. Past simple is changed into past perfect, and go on. As I told you before, some pronouns in your direct question are changed when you are going to change your direct question into indirect question. For example, when we have I, we change I into he or she. We is changed into they. You is changed into I, he, she, and they. So here you are going to pay attention to some pronouns in your direct question. Now, let's start with the third activity that you have in your student book, page 21. Look at these direct questions. Match them to the reported questions in the text. Say how the underlying verbs change. هون في عندك حاطين لك خطوط على بعض الأفعال بحكي لك لما بنحولها من دايركت إلى اندايركت شو التغيير راح يكون على هاي الأفعال. هلا كل هاي التحويلات موجودة في النص الموجود في هاي الصفحة، لكن أنا راح أكتب لك كل جملة لحالها والحل شو راح يكون. هلا do you know that pop fans are sometimes badly behaved? Gustav asked the festival committee. هذا السؤال سأله جوستاف للفestival committee. Do you know إذا من المخاطب هنا؟ المخاطب الفestival committee. Gustav asked the festival committee. You are going to follow the 4 steps. في عندك yes or no question فحطينا F. You بدنا نحولها لذي لأنه المخاطب الفestival committee. هلا في عندك do know. هلا حكينا أفعال الدو كأفعال مساعدة تشطب ويحول verb 1 إلى verb 2 فبدها تصير if they knew that pop fans بدل are بدنا نحط were sometime badly behaved. Number 2, have you considered all the problems that a pop concert could cause? Also, Gustav asked the festival committee. Here we have yes or no question. You are going to use excellent F. You مع الفستيفال كوميتي راح تصير they have considered راح تتحول مضارع تام تحولها إلى ماضي تام يتاسع فبدها تصير if they had considered all the problems that pop concert could cause. 3. Why are you thinking of including pop music in the program? So Gustav asked the festival committee. Here we have WH word the question why. أول خطوة راح ننزل الواي. اليو مع الفستيفال كوميتي راح تكون they. Are thinking مضارع مستمر راح نحولها إلى ماضي مستمر. We're thinking of including pop music in the program. 4. Will you reconsider your plans? Here we have yes or no question. Gustav asked the festival committee. Excellent F. They would reconsider their plans. هون اليو صارت they لأنه المخاطب جماعة الفستيفال كوميتي. هلا your ضمير مخاطب or ضمير ملكية عفوا، فشو بده يصير اليور؟ بدنا نحوله إلى ضمير الملكية their. إذا اليو تحولت إلى they اليور بتحوله لإيش يمس؟ إلى their. وبنكمل جملتنا، فبده يصير الجواب الصحيح if they would reconsider their plans. 5. Where can a large pop concert be held؟ أول خطوة where، ثاني خطوة الفاعل a large pop concert can be held بدها تصير could be held، وآخر خطوة full stop. The last one, will the school reputation be damaged? So Gustav asked the festival committee if excellent, the subject, the school reputation would be damaged. So if the school reputation would be damaged. Notice here, because the reporting verbs are in the past form, we always change the tense back shift. Exercise 4, report the following question. Do you like pop music, Lucy? So Gustav asked Lucy. Excellent. If you with Lucy, we change it into she. If she, here we have do like. You omit do, and we change like into liked. So if she liked pop music. كمان مرة تاسع. if لأنه yes or no question. you مع المخاطب لوسي بدها تصير she. do like فعل مضارع نشطب الدو بنحول like لverb to like pop music. Notice here the reporting verb asked ماضي، فبدنا نشفت الزمان خطوة للوراء. Has anyone seen Rudy? Todd wanted to know. هلا yes or no question. We put if anyone had seen Rudy. Again, if anyone had seen Rudy. 3. What are you discussing? Rudy asked the committee. What? The first step. You with the committee, they. Are we change are into were. Excellent. What they were discussing. 4. Why did Gustav send an email? Tasha asked. Why? The subject, Gustav, did send. هون في عندك فعل ماضي did send. الماضي شو بنحوله يا تاسع إلى ماضي تام، فبدها تصير why Gustav had sent an email. Again, why Gustav or he had sent an email. The next, has Gustav been complaining? Lucy asked. Excellent. If Gustav or he had been complaining. If Gustav had been complaining. What was the orchestra practicing? Ramon wondered. What? The first step, the orchestra, the subject, had been practicing. Again, what the orchestra had been practicing. من وين جبنا يا تاسع had been مع ing؟ الواز والوير مع ing بنحولها إلى had been مع ing. 7. When will the festival take place? Some students ask. Excellent. When the festival or it would take place. Can the committee answer my question? Gustav asked. If the committee could answer my, we change my into his question. Here we have possessive adjective. في عندك ضمير الملكية my مع Gustav بدنا نحولها إلى his. لو كان في I كان حولناها لهي لأنه الفاعل مذكر. هلا المي بتتحول إلى him. الماي بتتحول إلى his، فبدها تصير if the committee could answer his question. Okay, my dear students, I will stop here. In our next lesson, we are going to start doing the activities that you have in your workbook. Thank you very much.